Takeoff.
Oh, cool. Oh, sorry.
No worries.
I'll give
Home point updated.
home point update. Ang ganda talaga ng Panglao.
Yeah, it is.
Since I was a kid, sorry. Since I used to go to summer a lot, diba? Palaging I'll ask permission sa kay Mami Susie
Oo.
na, hey, I want to go to Panglao.
Oo.
And she'll always say no.
Why?
She'll just say, stay here. And she's kind of scary, diba? So okay, fine. I'll stay here. I'm like, okay, fine. I'll stay here.
Adi okay rin kasi masarap yung food sa summer.
Yes. We're so near lang. My mom kasi grew up here.
Ah, really?
Yeah, my mom's from here. From Panglao mismo.
Oh, I didn't know
This is
that.
where I live. There. That's my lolo's house. Tapos, it's already in my name.
Tita and dad are here.
Okay. There. So, I'm now flying over our house. There. It's naka-solar na siya, kaya ganyan.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Yeah. There. So, very near lang. Nandito tayo ngayon. We're here.
Oo.
So, very near lang. We're neighbors.
Oo nga eh. Kasi nga, when we dropped off the... Ay, salamat, Joy. Ako na, Joy. Ako na. When we dropped off the soda,
Yeah.
so I thought we were going like after.
Oo.
Andito na tayo.
Here na. Yeah. Tama.
So, kayang lakarin.
Tama. You're right. It's actually very near.
Oo, it's very near.
Yes. Now, I have to... I'm lost. Oh, no. There. It's the property na inayos. I'm lost.
Yun, Russell.
Ako na, nagdala lang. Hindi mango.
Thank you.
T-shirt ka na. Pero makaputang na yung chill.
Go na.
Sige.
Ganda ng property. This is where we are now. We're here. Galing na? Ganda, oh. Ganda. So, let the drone come.
I saw your house. Ang ganda. Ganda.
Yeah, you should go in. Did you go in?
No.
You should go in.
Remember we just dropped off na the soda?
Yeah. Yeah. You were there. Yeah, tama. Oops. Tinanggal ko yung anti-crash. Only because I'm a good flyer.
No.
Years of flying, but
Very years of ano.
but still, like if I bump something, goodbye drone. Yes, it's coming into the house.
Back. Oh, there.
Excuse
Ang
me,
ganda ng
guys.
property.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice property.
I didn't know your mom was from here.
Sorry?
I didn't know your mom was from
Yeah,
here.
my lolo, si Gaudencio Claribel, was the very first lawyer from Panglao. And
Ano?
Ano yung gusto niya?
Hindi ba yung diesel?
Oo. No, di pa.
Oo.
Ano yung pinapagawa?
and he is also the first judge from Bohol. He
Landing.
became a Supreme Court judge and judge of first instance. Siya yung judge ng Misamis, Bohol, and Leyte. And Surigao. Misamis, Surigao, Leyte, and Bohol. So, 3 areas. And then he signed the 1936 Constitution. He's one of the signees.